All right, this is Greg at Underground Graphics. We just got our Bronco this week. Super excited. We're looking forward to making lots of cool stuff for this. First thing I saw when we got on the groups and the forums is that the soft top typically does scratch this roll bar. It's very heavy, very difficult to do with one person, although it can be done. But anyway, even the one we test drove and the ones I've seen online, we're getting some small scratches in here. We wanted to make our own product, something that was quick and easy. So we're doing a PPF shield just in this area here to help protect that bar. This should relieve a lot of that worry. If it scratches the PPF, we can replace that. But again, it's just to protect the paint. Anyway, it's a pretty quick install. If you've ever worked with PPF, it's not like vinyl. It doesn't have that stickiness. This applies very wet. Soap and water solution. A few drops of soap, dish soap can work well with a spray bottle of water. What I want to do first actually is clean the area. Alcohol, and I've already done this, but again, a soft microfiber towel. We want to make sure we've got any grease, anything off of there that's you don't want to get underneath that film. Also, obviously, you want to get this top up basically in the halfway point. That's where we're going to get the most access to this area. We made the template, the whole bar, but you don't need it. It's just a short area in there. And again, just make sure that's clean and dry. And what we're going to do again with that soapy solution, I hate making a mess, but that's really the way this has got to get done. And pretty quickly, you want to peel off this from the backing and immediately spray that down. It doesn't matter if you get on the front side, you're going to actually end up spraying both sides anyway. And work this to slide that on there. And again, you want this wet so you can kind of get that into the spot you want it. If you get some tack in it, pull it up a little bit, lay it back down. But that's about where we want that. Again, this is fit just to fit that area. I'm using a rubber squeegee, but you can really use hard squeegee on this. Again, this is PPF, so it's self-healing film. Any light scratches will come out with a little bit of heat. You just want to get that down in its position. And just work that water out, or the soapy water. We're using Expel film. They make an Expel gel that will really make that a little bit easier. I think that you can get that on Amazon. It's a little small bottle if you want to try that. But again, for something like this, nothing strong, nothing complex about it. So the soapy water solution should work just fine. Once you got that in a position, you want to go back and just check and make sure we've got all that down. If you get something like that where you've got a little bit of a bubble on there, wrapping around that microfiber around that corner, we'll get that moisture out of those edges. Most of that will come away when you dry it anyway, but we're going to bring this back a little bit. Don't be afraid to use pressure. Again, it's self-healing film with a little bit of heat. If you see any surface scratches in it, you can take a heat gun or just let this sit out in the sun. I think we're about done. I'm gonna go back with that towel and just look for any bubbles. Anything you do see in there, wet that area again and squeegee it out. A little one here. Gone. There you go, hear that come out. That's about it. Pretty simple install. Like I said, something a little bit of insurance for that roll bar. Don't want to get that new bar scratched. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We should have this up on the site very soon if it's not already. And yeah, thank you.